I have been searching for ways to build passive income without needing a big upfront investment to even get started. Stocks, real estate, dividends, they all require money to make money. And honestly, I was getting frustrated. I kept hitting the same wall. Then one night, I just thought, what if I build something instead? And listen, I am not a developer. I have never written a single line of code in my life, yet in 2 days, I built a fully operational AI app from my living room. I am going to show you exactly how I did it, what it cost, and every obstacle I hit. This is the passive test on where I try every realistic way to build income from home and show you the honest results. Let us get into it. Here is the gap I stumbled into. Everyone is talking about AI tools for job seekers, but nobody built the complete package. CV optimization, LinkedIn, cover letters, salary negotiation. Fine, those exist. But an actual interactive interview, then with an AI that reads the questions out loud, listens to your answers, follows the conversation naturally, and evaluates you in real time. Not just what you say, but how you say it. I looked. I could not find it. Not properly. Not in one place. You would think someone would have built this already. And honestly, that was my eureka moment. If nobody built it, I would. A full interview simulation that talks to you, listens to you, and tells you honestly how you did, combined with every other tool a job seeker needs. So I decided to build it myself. Day 1. I knew what I wanted but had no idea how to build it. So I turned to Claude, not a simple chatbot. Think of it as an AI thinking partner. I described what I was trying to build. Claude helped me figure out my approach and gave me the exact prompts I needed to feed into Bolt. An AI app builder where you describe what you want in plain English and it builds it for you. No coding required. It started well. The interface looked clean, it looked real. Then, 5 attempts, 5 different prompts. Same result? Nothing. The core feature was dead. Have you ever invested time into something and hit a wall so hard you almost walked away? That was this moment. I had to cut my losses and move on. I needed another option, and fast. I remembered Lovable. I had tried it briefly before, but burned through the free credits quickly because the free plan does not give you much. But something about it always felt cleaner, so I made a decision. I had already spent $25 on Bolt and got nowhere. I put another $25 into Lovable and started fresh. Within the first session, the difference was immediate. Everything connected the way it was supposed to, and most importantly, the interview questions actually generated. First try, we were back in business. And this is where it gets interesting. Suddenly, I was not just the guy with the idea anymore. I was the driver, deciding where to go. The mechanic, pulling over to fix what was broken. The navigator, figuring out the route when the road disappeared. And the passenger, sitting in the back, nervously asking, "Are we there yet?" All at the same time. And through all of it, Claude was the constant. Not just generating code, I was describing problems in plain English. Claude was suggesting approaches, I was testing them, coming back, telling it what went wrong, and we were figuring it out together. Wrong answer, try again, closer, wrong again. There. That is what 13 hours actually looked like. No map, no manual, just me, an AI that did not let me quit, and a laptop. Have you ever taken on something completely outside your comfort zone and just figured it out as you went? That is exactly what this felt like. Let me be straight with you because I am tired of the hype. And trust me, I went through more of these videos than I can count. You will see videos saying build an app in 10 minutes with AI, and yes, technically you can get something on screen in 10 minutes, but a real product that actually works? That takes real time, real input, real decisions. The AI does not know what you want. You have to tell it, you have to test it, you have to catch what it got wrong. There was a moment where I spent 2 hours just trying to get the AI to generate the right questions, changing models, adjusting prompts, watching it fail every single time. That is the reality nobody shows you. The skill is not coding anymore, and because you have a chatbot that handles that for you, the skill is knowing what you want, describing it clearly, and knowing when something is wrong. You already do this every day. Briefing someone at work, telling a contractor what you need, sending back the wrong order at a restaurant. Same skill, different tool. Let me talk money. Total, $190. First $25 on Bolt. It did not work out. But that is not because Bolt is a bad tool. Every AI tool has its own strengths and weaknesses. Some people swear by Bolt, some prefer Lovable, some use neither. You have to try and find what fits the way you think and work. I tried several. Bolt was not my match. Lovable was. Second, $25 on Lovable, worth every cent, and I still have credits left for the next build. Then $140 on Claude. I upgraded because of how deep this journey went and how much I was relying on it. That is it. 190, no developer, no agency, no technical background, one working app. Is it perfect? No. Is it real? Yes. And next time I do this, it will cost less and take half the time. Let me show you what was built. This is Interview Ace. The first thing that surprised me when I started testing, it actually feels like a real product. Clean, simple, anyone can pick it up without instructions. You land on the dashboard, start a new interview, choose your industry, your role, your experience level, and your interviewer personality. Yes, you can choose an aggressive panel if you want to suffer. The AI generates questions tailored specifically to you, reads them out loud, you answer by speaking, and then you get scored across 5 dimensions. During testing, I kept catching myself, actually nervous, answering the questions. That is when I knew it was working. From there, salary negotiation practice, CV optimization, LinkedIn optimizer, cover letter generator, everything a job seeker needs in one place. Tell me in the comments, which feature would you use first? I have left the link below. Go try it free, it won't take long, and your feedback genuinely shapes where this goes next. This is version 1 built in 2 days, and I want to know what works, what does not, and what you would actually pay for. Drop it all in the comments. In 30 days, I'm coming back with the numbers. Did it make money? Did anyone actually use it? I will show you everything. The good, the bad, all of it. No filter. That is the passive test. If this video gave you an idea or made you think, maybe I can build something too, like it, share it, subscribe. I will keep documenting every step of this journey in public. And if you are sitting there thinking I could never do this, 2 months ago I thought the same thing. If I can do this, you can do this. See you in the next one. And in 30 days, I will show you if this was worth it.